Mitch with OMG Carpet Cleaning in Sugar Hill this afternoon. It's about 12:25. Not sure how many areas this is. It's a $350 job. Carpet's actually in really good shape. We're going to treat this room for odor. She mentioned cat urine in there. There's a basement with basically 4 areas, which is the stairs, the main area, which will be kind of the media area here, media room area. Then there's 2 like bedrooms. I think this was an office. And then there's this bedroom here. These areas have been pre-treated. I pre-treated those a minute ago. And then upstairs, there are 4 bedrooms, I think. 4 bedrooms, and then the hallway, which are all in perfect shape, really. Just gonna be a quick, easy cleaning up there. Stairs are hardwoods. Well, you can see the carpets are in really good shape already. So this is actually a move-out clean. This was a renter. They bought a house. They're cleaning this as a courtesy to the people moving in. And master's in good shape. And there's one bedroom here. Again, also in great shape. The worst areas are in the basement. A couple spots in the basement, because I pre-treated those a few minutes ago before we shot the video here. It's like it says $12.27. This is a $350 job. So stay tuned. We'll see how it looks when we finish up. Okay, we're all done. It's 1:05. This job took roughly a half hour. This is obviously a disclaimer. All jobs this large do not take this long. This was just an easy house. They paid and left. So there wasn't a whole lot of socializing going on. A lot of times you spend time talking with your clients, etc., etc. It takes, job takes a whole lot longer, but they basically left, so it was just me and the carpet, so you can get a lot done when you're not, socializing. So, like, the upstairs is fine, ceiling fans are on. We're going to work top to bottom here. I've actually found a bracelet in this room here in the carpet. Not much to see, like I said, up here. There is one more room on the main floor here, which was the kids' playroom. Not much to see in there. The spots that were going to come out did come out down the basement. A couple of them are still dark because they're damp. I just retreated them again after we finished up vacuuming to give them one last chance to come out. There we go, now the fan's on. And then down to the dungeon we go. Several of the spots that were spots are much lighter than they were from a soiling perspective, but they're damp from the cleaner now. That's when you can cut these lights off while we're down here. Those spots look like they're all dirty, but they're just those, like I said, those 3 are wet, having been just treated again. A lot of times spots will go away. The second, third, fourth time you treat them, because a lot of times there's spot cleaners that have been used on the spots that kind of you have to work through before you can even get to the spot that's causing the discoloration in the carpet. So you have the carpet, then you have what happened to the carpet, and then you have what was done to the carpet to try to clean it. And a lot of times those cleaners cause a lot of our problems we run into, especially with the black, browns, discolorations, that kind of stuff. So those spots look really bad on camera, but they're just wet. They should lighten right up as they dry. But at any rate, this is job number 2 of the day. The first job was a $555 job, which was, I forget how many areas, 9 areas and 2 area rugs. No fan in here. All right. We got one more job, 2 o'clock. We're going to bump that up, hopefully to like 1:30, since it's already a little after 1. Finish up the day here about 2 o'clock, because the last job is a little $100 job, and it's only about 5 minutes from where we are. So Mitch with omgcarpetcleaning.com, or excuse me, OMG Carpet Cleaning, 404-500-9853, or on the web at omgfloorcare.com. No per spot fees, no upsells, no hidden fees of any kind. You pay what you're quoted. If the technician charges you more than what you're quoted, your carpet cleaning is free. So that's quite the opposite with a lot of carpet cleaners, with upsells and surcharges, trip charges, per spot fees, fuel charges, all that kind of stuff, where, you know, you're definitely going to pay more than what you're quoted. With those guys, if someone tries to charge you more than what we're quoting you, then your carpet cleaning is free. So that's a win-win. Thanks for watching. Be humble, be kind. We'll catch you next time.